Today's video is on the top 3 best eye creams of 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I have included affiliate links below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 3, best budget, CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. So dealing with those pesky dark circles and puffiness under your eyes? No worries, we've got just the thing to help you out. This under eye cream is designed to tackle those dark circles and puffiness, leaving your under eye area looking brighter, hydrated, and more awake. And guess what? It's got a non-greasy finish, so you won't feel all oily and gross. Packed with some awesome ingredients, like hyaluronic acid to keep your skin moisturized and niacinamide to soothe it. Plus, there's this cool patented technology that keeps releasing these ingredients, so your skin stays hydrated for longer. This cream is super lightweight, so you won't even notice it's there. Just dab a little bit around your eyes and brow bone in the morning and evening, and you're good to go. It absorbs quickly too, so you can even wear it under makeup. Now, let's talk about ceramides. They're these natural things found in your skin that help keep it healthy. This cream has 3 essential ceramides to help restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. And hey, when it comes to safety, we've got you covered too. This cream has been tested by dermatologists and ophthalmologists, so you can trust it around your precious eyes. Plus, it's accepted by the National Eczema Association, so you know it's good stuff. Now, let's talk about the downside. While this eye cream sounds pretty fantastic, it's worth mentioning that it could potentially cause allergic reactions in some people. So if you've got sensitive skin or known allergies to any of the ingredients, it might be wise to do a patch test first before slathering it all over your delicate eye area. Number 2, best overall under eye cream for dark circles and puffiness. Want to look your best without breaking a sweat? Check out the Spring Sisters eye cream. It's all about keeping it cool and effortless. Picture this: tired eyes? No problem. This eye cream is like a magic wand for perking up your skin. Say goodbye to those pesky eye bags and hello to a refreshed, revitalized look. Plus, it's perfect for sharing with loved ones, because who doesn't love a gift that says, "I care about your self-care"? Now, let's talk about ingredients. No fancy formulas here, just simple goodness. There's caffeine to perk up your peepers and niacinamide to boost circulation. Oat and rye extracts provide a natural dose of nutrients, while squalane and peptide complexes work their magic to keep your skin hydrated and protected. But wait, there's more. This eye cream isn't just for looking good, it's also a breeze to use. Thanks to its compact tube with a zinc massager applicator, you can say goodbye to guesswork and hello to the targeted application. Pop it in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. It's like having your spa day right at home. Oh, and did I mention it's suitable for all skin types? Yep, even if you wear contact lenses or are expecting, this eye cream has got you covered. Plus, it plays well with other products, so you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. So why wait? Join the Spring Sisters community and discover the joy of simple, effective skincare. Because when your skin is nourished, you can truly flourish. Number 1, our pick, Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream. So, imagine this. It's a cream you use every day that helps make your eyes look younger. It's not picky about skin types. Whether you're normal, dry, combination, or oily, it's got you covered. Now, what does it do? Well, it's all about tackling those pesky signs of aging, wrinkles, and dark circles. It comes in a creamy form. Nothing too fancy. Now, let's talk about ingredients. No need to worry about harmful stuff like formaldehyde or sulfates. This cream is free of all that. Instead, it's got some good stuff like peptides, which help reduce wrinkles, squalane to keep your skin hydrated, and ginseng extract for brightening those tired eyes. What's special about it? Well, it's a popular choice for smoothing out wrinkles and brightening up your eye area. It doesn't just focus on one type of wrinkle. It's got your back for crow's feet, frown lines, and all those other lines around your eyes. Plus, it's great for tackling dark circles and puffy under eye bags. With 48-hour hydration, this eye cream goes above and beyond. Its rich yet lightweight texture provides a surge of moisture that lasts throughout the day and night, keeping your skin plump, supple, and nourished. Its non-comedogenic formula means it won't clog pores, making it safe and effective for everyone to enjoy. And here's the real proof. They did a test with 110 women, and after just 7 days, everyone noticed smoother eyes. Almost everyone saw fewer wrinkles and dark circles, and a good chunk noticed less puffiness too. Now, here's the kicker. It's pricey. Yep, this cream doesn't come cheap. So while it might work wonders for your eyes, it might also put a dent in your wallet. That's the downside. You wanted the best. You got it. That's it for the top 3 best eye creams of 2024. For more info, check the affiliate links and our website, toppick3.com for more. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest product videos.